Bilog-bilukan ka. Hindi, ikaw bilog-bilukan. Bilog. Assignment. Bilog-bilukan ka muna. Isa pa. Later. O, isa pa. Bilog. Assignment. Oh. Buba. Say hi. What is your name? Maxine. How old are you? Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Eyes. Your nose. Your tongue. Your mata. Your ilong. Your dila. Your ears. Your hands. Your feet. Where's your pem-pem? Where's your put-put? Where's your kamay? Where's your tenga? Where's your tenga? Oh. Oh, where's your paa? Paa. Very good naman. Feet. Feet si Maymay.